Hey everyone, welcome back to Robovation Studio. Imagine being able to create amazing projects like smart home devices, robotics, and more with just a tiny microcontroller. Well, today I'm going to show you how to get started with the ESP32 using the Arduino IDE so you can start bringing those ideas to life. First things first, if you don't have the Arduino IDE installed, head over to the Arduino website and download the IDE for your operating system. Once you've installed it, open it up. Next, we need to add support for the ESP32. Go to File, then Preferences. In the Additional Boards Manager URLs field, enter this URL. Click OK to save. Now go to Tools, then Board, and select Boards Manager. Search for ESP32 and click Install for the ESP32 package. Alright, now that we've got the ESP32 set up, let's write our first program. We're going to start with a simple Bilnk program to make the onboard LED blink. The code is in description. This code sets GPIO2 as an output and makes it blink on and off every second. It's a great starting point to understand how to control outputs with the ESP32. Before we upload the code, make sure you've selected the correct board and port. Go to Tools, Board, and choose ESP32 Dev Module. For the port, select the one corresponding to your ESP32. Click the Upload button, and the code will start transferring to your ESP32. You'll see the LED on the board start blinking once the upload is complete. And there you have it. Your ESP32 should now be blinking away. This is just the beginning. There's so much more you can do with the ESP32 and Arduino IDE. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.